that's it's good that they changed it, and they probably shouldn't have had it like that in the first place. But
Well, originally they were supposed to. They had, I guess, they had plans of using name brand sales, but
Yeah.
then once they went into production, apparently, once they went into production, apparently in order to cut costs, and maybe they did their test, and they're like, oh, these cells are just as good, high quality, but they're less, costly. So then they went with those. But of course, they didn't tell the.
yeah, and it could have
The
been
audience.
possible that it could have been a production issue as well. Like they could have asked for Samsung cells, and then overseas in production, they're like, "Oh, we can cut a few." It's
Yeah.
a big deal because they may not. I've done production.
Who's gonna take the thing apart?
Yeah, I mean, I've
Yeah.
worked with people doing production in overseas, and it's like there are
Yeah.
there are those considerations where they're like, there's no consideration on brand. There's only consideration on the engineering side,
Yeah.
right? Which is kind of their job. But those kinds of decisions are brand decisions as well.
Yeah.
And so they shouldn't be making those kinds of decisions without,
Yeah. Yeah.
conferring
And
with
they
someone.
didn't count on me buying the thing and taking it apart and then showing the world.
Now everyone knows that they should count on that because
and that was a unit that I bought myself. I didn't, I had there was no deal between them. That was my product. I bought it. Then I'm like, let me see what it's inside. And then I changed it. I just didn't know that I was stepping in their toes.